This is the cell phone being used at this time, and we're going to lay it down, and you'll see that arrow key and mine move. If I had a burner it needed to be turned off, I turned it off. I could be in London doing this right now with a cell phone or a laptop computer. I'm going to turn it back on. You see it come back on. I'm going to bring my arrow key back down to start. Arrow keys hit start. We go through the sequence, and the phone sequence follows. Go back up to menu. We lit our burner. Back down to temperature display. Okay, we've just seen the text message that come across the cell phone instantly. As the system goes down, Bill, Galvanizing, is going to do a startup from his laptop in his office through a remote administrate. And now we got a 3-minute timer. Waiting for a purge complete.
53JH. Okay.
And we're doing a burner startup. We're low air hold. Now the frequency drive is driving down to the lower settings.
Oh, you've got to put cover though, like cover. And then parentheses put 3/set, like 3% or 3%. Okay? So there's total 9, so 3 times 3 is 9. Okay?
We are ready.
I
All
always
start.
run a tape, but you'll have to remember that this is a 9 just to make sure I got all the pieces, or just, sometimes I do. I mean, you'll figure out what works for you. Hey.
Hi. They couldn't dip these, so I'm going to take them back.
Oh.
So I don't know what invoice it was on.
2 burners have locked in on run, and now the run. We have successfully started up the furnace from a remote area, and the text message just come across the cell phone saying everything's okay.
This is from the
Everything's been completed.